Sev was a popular snack in Vadodara, which is a city in the western Indian state of Gujarat. Here's a recipe for making sev at home. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the besan, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, asafoetida, and salt. Mix well. 2. Gradually add water and knead the mixture into a smooth and soft dough. The dough should be of medium consistency, neither too thick nor too thin. 3. Heat oil in a deep pan on medium heat. 4. Take a small portion of the dough and put it into the sev maker. Press the sev maker over the hot oil and make thin strands of the sev. You can also use a kitchen grater with large holes if you don't have a sev maker. 5. Fry the sev in hot oil until it is crispy and light golden in color. Do not overcook, or it will become dark and bitter. 6. Remove the sev from the oil using a slotted spoon and place it on kitchen paper to remove excess oil. 7. Once cooled, break the sev into small pieces and store in an airtight container. Your sev is now ready to be served as a snack, or you can use it as a topping for chaat or other dishes. Enjoy. Like and subscribe to my channel.